I don't know if you saw this. This was a couple days ago. Twitter unveiled a new super follow feature. Did you see this one?
I did, yeah.
Okay, so this had a weird... People were very not into this. From what I can tell, the sentiment... Now, I don't know. Maybe everybody's aggravated these days. It's a lot of aggravation these days. I feel like every comment section I go to is aggravation. No one's cheering and celebrating for pretty much anything. But the sentiment that I saw was, this is dumb. I pay for no one's tweets. This app is free. Get out of my face. Stop asking me for money. Don't encourage other people to ask me for money, et cetera, et cetera. But it's just a feature. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. As far as the super follow is concerned, it could take the form of extra tweets, joining a community group, or receiving a newsletter, the firm said. Well, these are their examples, right? But you know there's all kinds of reasons people are going to try to put their tweets behind a paywall.
Sure.
A bunch of unspoken potential reasons.
Yeah.
But you don't know, man. Maybe you need to get up on that, on a really specific newsletter. You want to pay $1 for it or something. It's about how to. It's about how to
restore a Hot Wheels.
That's exactly what I was gonna say.
Oh.
It's about it's about the new techniques, the hottest, most recent techniques on how to restore Hot Wheels, or the greatest collectibles, or the highest value Hot Wheels NFTs. Anyway, this was unveiled at a virtual event which was held for investors. It's the first time the platform has announced significant changes to the way that people can use it. It is also testing a live audio discussion service, which obviously is taking aim at Clubhouse. And I think this makes a lot of sense. This one, Twitter Spaces or whatever they're going to call it. Part of me doesn't want to do a whole nother social media thing. So the idea of jumping into a Clubhouse style chat, but just doing it right on Twitter, seeing all the people I already follow and I'm connected to, like I kind of like this thing. This is sort of appealing. Anyway, some of the critiques as far as this new service is concerned is for those with compelling enough content, this service could be attractive, but I expect it will be hard to deliver big paydays for the average Twitter user. When you've had an application that's been free forever and the perception is that it's free, but that's the biggest thing to overcome is that now you're going to ask people for money. Like, I think this is one of the ways in which like people still stream on Twitch, for example. It's just known for it. It's just the thing. And then other companies come and launch or TikTok will be known for short video. Others will add it, but it's just hard to shed your origin story.
Yeah, especially when the barrier of entry is so low.
Anyway, this super follow is due to be launched this year, so we'll see. But there is one poll that was posted by social media consultant Matt Navarra. He asked his followers whether they were prepared to pay a premium for their favorite Twitter accounts, and 85% responded that they would not pay.